Hello, listeners of MMASHAKA TV. I am happy to be with you today to learn how to grow spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable. It helps us prepare food at home. The lesson for today involves using small plastic jerrycans, papaya trees, wire, and other materials. Please follow along. Growing spinach using papaya trees as support can be done by following these steps. 1. Selecting a suitable location. Choose a spot in your garden where papaya trees thrive well and receive ample sunlight. 2. Small jerrycans. Small jerrycans will be used as containers for soil. 3. Wires. Wires help us attach jerrycans to papaya trees in our garden. 4. Arrange small jerrycans at each papaya tree where we will be attaching them. 5. Pierce the jerrycans and insert the wires. 6. Attach the jerrycans to the papaya trees. 7. Fill the jerrycans with soil to create our garden for growing spinach. 8. Prepare seedlings and plant them in their designated places. 9. Begin planting the spinach in their respective containers or garden beds. 10.
Oui.
The harvesting period is simple. As we can see, a small basin is enough to collect our spinach. These papaya trees yield 2 harvests. Spinach and papaya fruits, both growing on the same trees and in the same locations. Opportunities to grow vegetables around us using simple materials, which can benefit our health. Thank you for joining us on our channel, MMASHAKA TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share to receive more videos and learn about what we can grow for our own health benefits.